Hey guys, what is going on? Welcome back to my Robinhood portfolio. As always, hope you guys had an awesome day trading today. Kind of a mixed picture with the three major indices. The S&P 500 and the Dow 30 were both up today, 0.08 and 0.31% respectively. Nasdaq was down a little bit today, 0.11%. My portfolio did not do too badly today. You can see up top here, up $126.68, representing 0.59% of my overall portfolio. It's a little bit of extra after hours trading as well as 0.02%. As I scroll through my portfolio here, you can see pretty nice performance out of all market sectors. There's a few in the middle here, consumer discretionary. That was down a bit. Financials did okay as well here in the middle. Technology got hit a little bit today. AMD was up, but IBM, Apple, Intel, and Microsoft were all in the red. Telecoms performed very nicely today as well for me. AT&T up 0.47%, Verizon up 1.5%, so very good. What I want to do today is talk a little bit more about the strategy I put in a video out, I think 2 days ago. The whole idea behind buying the dip and selling the rally. I'm going to be trying to do that with Portola here. Man, my phone is very slow right now. I'm not sure what the reason for that is. You can see here it printed up nicely today, up to 1893, 3.78%. I had put a limit buy in this past week. Right in here, kind of missed this rally here, but I'm going to be selling off here. There's no trading tomorrow on Friday. Hopefully I can sell this off. But the whole idea, again, just to remind you guys, is essentially you buy the dip, you sell the rally. Buy the dip, sell the rally here. Buy the dip, sell the rally. Buy the dip, sell the rally. The nice thing about this is you buy a certain amount of shares here, then you sell off half, and you kind of capture that profit. Buy a bunch here, sell off. Buy a bunch here, sell off here. And you don't really need to time it exactly, but you do need a stock that kind of has a lot of movement up and down. So you can buy the rally, sell off, buy the rally, sell off. And beyond that, it really works if the stock's going up or down. So if this stock were to, trend from here and continue trending up here, you'd simply be capturing that profit as you kind of climbed up. And if it were to go down, you'd be losing money overall, but you'd basically be dollar cost averaging and losing less money than you would if you simply bought and held to this particular mark here. And you really don't need to time the market so much. Kind of contradictory in a way, but you're kind of watching the price. You should have a pretty good idea what the stock does. I wouldn't do this to a stock you've never looked at before. It's mainly for stocks that you're comfortable with. But as soon as it starts trending down, you sell. And you buy here at a lower price, you sell. Lower price and sell. So it's kind of a way of shorting a stock as it goes down. I mean, overall you're going to lose money, but you won't lose as much as you would if you would have bought and held all the way down, because you will be capturing a little bit of profit. Even if it keeps trending down, you're still capturing that profit and attenuating some of your losses as you trend down. And then once the stock rebounds, you'll have a much better return. So it works. If the stock is going up, you're essentially making profit. If it's going down, you're basically kind of hedging your position. So I'm going to be doing that with Portola over the next few weeks or so. Hopefully you guys can follow along and kind of see how the performance kind of plays out. Overall, it's been a very choppy week. You can see here, up and down kind of all week here. So it's been a very volatile market. I think that's going to continue moving forward. The federal interest rate hike is right around the corner here in December. It's going to be happening at some point. I put a video out about how the interest rate affects the stock prices as well. Take a look at that video, but I think there's going to be a lot of volatility. I think returns in the long term aren't going to be so much affected, but there's going to be a lot of volatility. So I think there's going to be a lot of opportunities for day and swing traders in the next few months, especially through the first of the year. So looking forward to that, kind of seeing how everything plays out. So that's kind of what I wanted to talk about today is that Portola trade. I'm going to kind of do that the next few weeks here and see how that stock strategy plays out. So if you guys like my videos, as always, feel free to share, like, and subscribe if you're so inclined. The whole idea behind these videos is to learn a little bit about the market, not only for myself, but hopefully you guys are getting a little bit out of these as well. If you guys have any questions, go ahead and ask. I want to thank you guys. You've definitely helped me out quite a bit. A lot of your suggestions have put me on some good topics to take a look at and research. So thank you for that. You had some great stock picks as well. I'm going to be doing a few more of those videos moving forward as well. But really at the moment, just adding to positions I already have. And after the federal interest rate hike, I'm going to be diving into other positions as well. So that's kind of what I wanted to talk about today. Hopefully you guys have a great holiday weekend. There's going to be a little bit of limited trading on Friday, nothing tomorrow, and then start up again on Monday. So until tomorrow, we'll see you then.